In this video I'm going to show you how to download The Last of Us Part 1 Deluxe Edition on your PC. So if you want to download this game, then Steam can get quite expensive. But don't worry, we got a nice workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. After that, we need to locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, and after that we will search for the game The Last of Us Part 1. And as you can see, it is over here, so we will select it. And after that we will scroll a little bit down, and there you will find the different versions. Now, as you can see, we have the Deluxe edition over here, and this one costs €69.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this website. Now, the next step is to search for the same game, The Last of Us Part 1. Now, once you have searched for that, then you will scroll a little bit down, and we need to select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you will scroll a little bit down till you will find the Part 1 Deluxe Edition for PC, which can be activated in your country, so this text needs to be marked green. Once you have selected it, then you will see that this game is available for just €51.49 compared to the price on Steam of €69.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to download this game legitly on Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!